I don't have business background, so will I be able to make my career by doing MBA? MBA programs are very expensive and only meant for the elite families. If you have this misconception in your mind, then this video is for you. Hey everyone, welcome back once again. In this video, we are going to talk on misconception relating to MBA. Don't forget to watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, please hit on subscription and bell icon. And if you have any query relating to MBA programs, you can comment them here in the comment section. Misconception number 1, you should have a business background. If you're someone who wanted to get into MBA, so not necessarily that you need to have a business background. Even a student who is having a background of maybe science, arts, engineering, education, music, and non-business family background, still you can make successful career by doing MBA. If you don't have a business background, so MBA program is designed in such a way that it gives you an idea to look at the business operations and business activities from a business perspective. The program has nothing to do with your background. You can still make a successful career here. Misconception number 2, MBA programs are very expensive and only meant for elite. This is absolutely incorrect. MBA programs are not only meant for the elites and are very expensive. Even if you belong from a middle class family background and have dream of getting into MBA, you can always get into this program, because there are certain private institutes, private colleges, government institutes, government colleges, which offers various scholarships and financial support to the student who wanted to get into this program. So you need to decide whether you want to do this program from the private institute where there's a high fees, or if you wanted to do it from the government colleges or the institutes which has scholarship facility. You can also take the financial help from the banks. So there are various options which are available. So if you are someone who wanted to get into this program and have that misconception that MBA programs are very expensive and only meant for elite, so it's absolutely incorrect. Misconception number 3, only people those who manage others need MBA program. There is a misconception saying people those who have role of managing others need to have MBA, so it's absolutely incorrect. Even if you wanted to work at the back end, if you wanted to get into IT, if you wanted to get into HR, if you wanted to get into maybe finance, these are the areas where you don't need to manage others. Simply you need to manage the business activities. If you're someone who wanted to get into these profiles, still MBA can be a better option for you. Misconception number 4, online MBA programs lack credibility. Students can give a thought to online programs, distance learning programs, or full-time programs, and the recruiters have a huge respect for all sort of MBA programs. But full-time programs adds a lot of value into the learning of the student, because they have ongoing lectures, regular practicals, internship, and business exposure activities. So if you're someone who wanted to pursue MBA online but have that misconception that online MBA programs lack credibility, so it's absolutely incorrect. Misconception number 5, male student dominate MBA programs. There are various specializations offered in MBA like marketing, HR, finance, IT, and operations. There is also a misconception that boys generally go for marketing and girls go for HR. So it's absolutely not correct, because some of the students, those who are very good in managing the people, also go for HR. Some of the girls, those who have liking towards meeting clients, giving a lot of presentations and business expansion strategies, they are also nowadays entering into marketing field. If you are someone who is having a misconception that MBA programs are dominated by male, so it's absolutely incorrect. MBA programs are not dominated by the male. Misconception number 6, you will automatically build a powerful network. People those who wanted to get into MBA have a misconception that once you get into MBA, it will automatically build your network. It's absolutely incorrect. You will have to spend your time and energy by building the relations with your peers, with your teachers, with your seniors, alumni, recruiters, and industry. So it's absolutely incorrect that you will get the automatically built network if you get into MBA. Misconception number 7, I'm working professional, so my time for MBA has passed. If you're someone who is working professional and wanted to get into MBA and worried that your time for MBA has already passed, so it's absolutely not correct. If you're someone who is working, and wanted to get into MBA, so there are various options which are available for you. Like you can also think for online MBA, you can also think for distance MBA, and also you can give a thought to the executives program where you can apply and take a leave for a couple of years, come back, complete your MBA, and again go back and apply for the better job profiles with hike in the salary. So these are the top 7 misconceptions about MBA. The next video is going to be about why you want to get into MBA. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.